Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this hair. This is actually a wig, and a matter of fact, it is actually a headband wig. This wig is from AFSISTERWIG. This is a headband wig, and it's a kinky curly 100% virgin hair. If you guys want to see all the styles that I'll do today with this wig, stick around. I have not ever done a review with some kinky curly hair, so this should be interesting. That's the inside of it. Okay, so we're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump into this video. This is a lot of hair on this wig. This is the glueless headband wig. It is adjustable. It is big head friendly. This hair is big and beautiful. I don't have anything like this in my collection. This is the first style that I did. This is like a half up, half down. I'm gonna try to set up so I can kind of see. Okay, I can kind of see. If you guys want to know more details about this hair, you can check out the description box. I'm going to have all the information in that description box below. Look at the variety of headbands. So they sent me both of them. If I can show you guys. I think this one matches what I have on. Does this one match? I mean, there's so many. Look how many headbands they sent. So there is something for everyone. So this hair can get really big, you guys. This is so cute. So this is another style. I really like this hair. It's so different for me. It's super cute. It's bringing me back to like my natural days. Like anybody who saw me wearing this, they would not know that this was a wig. They would just think this is all me. So I'm going to try to spray it down, see if we can soften the curls just a little bit. So the thing that I really like about this hair is it's 20 inches, and considering that it's Afro kinky hair, it's still long. Like, it doesn't look short just because it's in its Afro kinky texture. So that's if you just want a more defined look. You can just spray it down with some water, tame those frizzies. But ladies, if you want a wig that looks natural, that's headband that you can do a lot of different styles and you don't have to worry about a lace front, this is a great option. Look at the hair. Look at the curls. Cute. I love big hair, so this style is super cute with it just down in its natural like kind of state. How cute is this? So if you're like me and the wig cap is too big, you can just tie the headband and clip it into itself. A low ponytail. Okay, so I want to give my final thoughts on the unit. It's super fun. There's so many styles you can do, and I think I would recommend it to those of you who love that kinky curly look. This looks very realistic. The hair is very clean, didn't come with any bad smell. The packaging was A1. It's secured. It came shipped DHL. And you should definitely check their website out, guys. They have tons of options. The hair quality is beautiful. It's so full, as you can see. And it just, again, looks so realistic. I definitely would recommend it to you guys. So I'll see you guys again in another video. Until next time, bye.